Use Gravity, Where Are You to answer questions 1 through 3. 1. Lines 1 through 4 are important to the poem because they A. Describe the setting, B. Introduce the speaker's problem, C. Ask the reader important questions, or D. Introduce a resolution to the speaker's problem. 2. In stanza 2, the reader can conclude that the speaker A. is falling to the ground, B. is enjoying his trip to outer space, C. has found a resolution to his problem, D. has difficulty drinking in space. 3. Which line from the poem does the poet use to best help the reader picture the effect of being without gravity? A. There is some really cool stuff. B. Gravity, where are you? C. My water won't stay in my cup. D. My trip now isn't so rough. Use space food to answer questions 4 through 6. 4. According to the information in Space Food, astronauts were able to enjoy their food more in later years since A. It was made by expert chefs, B. A special warming tray was created to heat food in space, C. Soft food was available for astronauts to squeeze into their mouths, D. Space missions became longer. 5. In paragraph 2, the prefix re helps the reader determine that the word rehydrated means A. Being hydrated again, B. Able to be hydrated, C. Before being hydrated, or D. Without being hydrated. 6. Which word or words from paragraph 2 best help the reader understand what alternative means? A. Quality of their foods, B. Choice, C. Astronauts complained, or D. Popular. 7. With which statement would the poet and the author of the selection most likely agree? A. The quality of space food has improved over time. B. Gravity is a huge problem astronauts face on Earth. C. It is important to eat freeze-dried foods in space. D. Special warming trays have improved the quality of food. 8. Read lines 3 and 4 from the poem. It won't even fall to the ground. Gravity, where are you? Which sentence from Space Food suggests that the author faces a similar problem? A. As space missions became longer, the astronauts complained about the quality of their foods. B. In the 1970s, NASA invented a special warming tray to heat foods in space. C. Since astronauts have to battle a lack of gravity, special packaging and foods were necessary. D. They were packaged like little tubes of toothpaste which the astronauts squeezed into their mouths. 9. How do Gravity, Where Are You, and Space Food differ? A. Only the poem describes the difficulty astronauts have with eating in space. B. Only the poem includes a list of astronauts and their accomplishments. C. Only the poem provides a first-person narration of eating in space. Or D. Only the poem identifies what astronauts do on spacewalks. 10. Read lines 9 through 11 from the poem. Scientists created special food. There's some really cool stuff. My trip now isn't so rough. Which sentence from Space Food suggests that a solution has been found for the astronauts' problem? A. This enabled the astronauts to eat soups, sandwiches, and many other hot foods. B. The first space meals were soft and had the texture of baby food. C. As space missions became longer, the astronauts complained about the quality of their foods. D. One popular favorite is freeze-dried ice cream.